So welcome back to the Profitl YouTube channel. Today I'm heading out to the shops and I'm going to be doing some retail arbitrage. So we're hitting up two stores. We're hitting up B&M first and then onto the range. We're going to go around scanning using the Profitl mobile app and just seeing what deals we can actually find. We're then going to buy them. We're going to send them into Amazon and we're going to see how they get on. So stick around for part 2. Make sure to stick around for that. As always, if you did enjoy this video, please do hit the subscribe button. It really does help our channel. And if there's any other videos you'd like us to make, let us know down below in the comments. But let's go do some retail arbitrage. So here we are heading into the range. First up on this retail arbitrage trip, we always like the range to have a good selection of products. We've started off at the cleaning aisle and the first item we scanned a barcode using the Profitl mobile app. Not bad return on investment of 36%, but 3 sales a month, so no good. Next up was this item next to it, another elbow grease one. Better sales, 41 sales a month, but only a 20% return on investment. We then tried this pink stuff item, which actually looked decent. So 93% return on investment and 23 sales a month with 4 other FBA sellers. We then moved on to the toy aisle and we found this Peppa Pig item, which looked really interesting at the time. So 50% return on investment, not crazy sellers, but not much competition. We then tried this Transformers item as well. So we gave the barcode a scan. Sales for £10.88, 3 FBA sellers, but only a 14% return on investment. So that's how we got on at the range. We're now going to head to the checkout. Okay, so I just finished up in the range. And as you saw in the footage, I found 2 products which we actually purchased, which looked like they had potential. The first ones I got were these pink stuff products. And the next ones I got were these Peppa Pig toys. So I'll cut to me in the office now and I'll run through the data on these in more detail and show you how many of these we purchased and hopefully our expected profit as well. So you've just seen the 2 products we purchased in the range. Let me run you through the expected profit for both. So the first product we've got was this pink stuff, the Miracle Wash Up Spray Wipe Rinse. We could buy these for £1.49 each and they sold on Amazon for £5.95, giving us a profit of £1.38 per unit. Now we purchased 15 units in total, so that meant our total cost was £22.35 and it should hopefully return us sales of £89 with a total profit of £20.70. Now the next one up was this Peppa Pig toy. So we could buy these for £6.99 each. These were a reduced one. They're selling on Amazon for £16 and making a profit per unit of £3.50. Now there wasn't tons of stock. We could only actually buy 5 units. That's all which was left hiding away. So what it means is our total spend was about £35. It should return a sales of about £79 and a profit of £17.50. So for both these 2 product lines, that's a total profit of £38. Now of course take that with a pinch of salt and I'll talk more about the fact that there's no guarantees we're going to sell them for that exact price. It is possible the prices may drop a little bit, but that is just Amazon FBA. That's why we analyze the deals first. Now that's not us done yet. We have got one more shop to show you and it's a good one, so make sure to stick around. But before then, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive discount code for Profitl and DealFinder for our YouTube viewers. We'll make it pop up just here. That's going to save you either 5% on yearly plans, and yearly plans already have over 50% off, or 20% on monthly plans, and you can also find that down below in the description. But let's get back into the video. We're heading into B&M next. So here we are heading into B&M after being in the range. We always have good success in B&M and specifically the toy aisle. So this is where we're heading first. Now we do spend loads and loads of time scanning loads of different barcodes, and you will find that most barcodes you scan aren't actually any good, or they don't come up on Amazon, they're not profitable. Can be many different reasons, but that is just part of retail arbitrage. You do just need to keep scanning and eventually you will come across items which look like they have potential. Like this product here, which we gave a scan, selling for £22. We could buy these for £10 each, 29 sales a month, 52% return on investment. This one, not so good, 4 sales a month, 11% return on investment. So we had to give this one a miss. So that's us finished up in B&M and only found one product we actually purchased in there, and that was these. So these were on offer 2 for £20 each. So we'll cut back to me in the office again. I'll show you how many I actually purchased, show you the expected profit, and all the interesting data. So this is the product we found. It's the Slimy Ultimate Bucket Funds. These were quite a bulky item. We don't always like items this big because obviously we have to send these into Amazon, which is going to cost us more money. So the larger the item, the more it's going to cost us, and same with storage fees if they're stuck in Amazon's warehouse for quite a while. But they look like they had good potential, so we thought they were worth a punt. But let's run through the data for the expected profit on this item. So these were on offer, so it was 2 for £20, so they were £10 each. When we scanned them, they were selling on Amazon for £22.50, and that would mean a profit per unit of £5.15 after Amazon fees are paid. Now we purchased 10 units in total, so that meant we spent £100 on these. Now we're hoping they should return revenue of around £224 and a total profit of £51. So really good profit, hopefully. Now you've seen the products we've purchased. Let's get into our overall potential profit for the video. And as we do say, this is potential profit only. You'll need to subscribe to see how we actually get on with these items. But the total amount we spent on this trip was £150. We're hoping it should return us revenue of £394 and a total profit of £89.70. So considering we only spent 45 minutes scanning items today, we think that's really not a bad result. We found some product lines which looked like they had great potential. So if you did enjoy that video, please do hit that subscribe button. If you did want to learn more about Amazon FBA, we post out videos all about selling on Amazon every single Thursday. But that's all for today. We thank you so much for watching today's video, and we will see you in the next one.